sure there's a lot of them.
There is.
With the storm that came through, I'm not surprised.
I'm bouncing around all over the place, just going from one to the other.
Yeah, understand.
Yeah, it's been a day.
Sheraton Road, multiple wires down, transformer down on the ground. Nothing we can do.